Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave. Today, we are replacing something that I lost long ago. As a cosplayer, I frequently need to look in the mirror. And my mirror broke years ago now. And I had welded this mirror frame out of like 1/2-inch angle iron. It was not an amazing construction. It wasn't even perfectly vertical. But I got one delivered from Lowe's or Costco or something like that, and I'm going to mount it to that base right there. This used to be my safety cabinet, but what it's now going to be is a stand for my mirror. But let me grab the mirror for a second. Hold on. Nice chunks of cardboard. Yeah. Keep that. That. Mirror. Health. Happy. Harmonious. Win-win. Gratitude. Make a healthy home. Full-length mirror. Oh my God, I didn't realize this. It's an instruction manual. This is great. Oh, right. It's about how to put it up. Yeah, great. Awesome. I just thought there would be like, look in mirror. Then. Thought there'd be a little advice guide about self-esteem. Oh, it's got a whole thing, doesn't it? You were wondering if it would fall, weren't you? I was. Right, here we go. Yeah. What? Don't make that sound. Oh, I see. That's a terrible sound. So that's how it wants to set. That's a great mirror. Great mirror. But I want it straight up and down. So I want it to be about this high. About that. Yeah, about that. So what is that? That's top of Blundstone height. Fabulous.
Find them and destroy them. Find them and destroy them.
God, I love Hugo Weaving. Yeah, that's about what it is. Thought so. So. I have mucked with this a little bit. Ooh, look at that. And what I'm going to do is build a wooden frame for this out of the one piece of wood that I have here. Is this really what I'm going to use? Hold on, let me just see. Yeah, this is a beautiful piece of poplar. Okay, we're going to cut this in half. Then we're going to route out its middle-ish. To me. We are happy. I is happy. This is great. It needs a little bit of back weight because it's front heavy. And here's sometimes in the shops you end up with, oh God, I remember this. Oh Lord. This is part of the stainless steel I used to cut my vault door out of. That should be plenty to keep this thing from tipping over. That's fantastic. Mirror floats in there. You don't need that at all. Now, you can't add a piece of equipment to the shop without considering the storage. So I think I'm going to add some hooks back here And I'm gonna add a little platform up here. Because you love putting stuff up high, especially in earthquake country. Yeah. Whoa, hey. You've been falling apart. All right. Look at that. Oh, the coat hanger doesn't fit on it. That's fine. This is great. This is marvelous. So I can hang stuff from it. I've got storage up here, and when I need to, I can see my shining face in the mirror. Oh, look, I'm looking at the camera. Hi, everybody. This is much more, whoa, hey! I was just about to say it was much more stable. This is awesome. This is great for cosplay. It's a nice stiff yet light structure. I know, I'm playing fast and loose with a few of these things. It's fine. It's fine. It's been too long since I've had a mirror in here. What does that mean? I just let the other mirror broke years ago, and I just didn't get around to replacing it. All right. Time to go home. Wrap for the day. Have a wonderful one. Thanks for joining me for this. I'll see you next time. When I was a young model maker, I was always freelance. And when you're freelance, one of the best ways to get work is to draw attention to yourself, both for what you can do and also how you do it. And one of the ways I drew attention to myself was with my toolboxes. They were moderately absurd. Aluminum doctor's bags sitting on scissor lifts so I could rise them up to the level of my workbench and give me access to every tool I needed, hundreds and hundreds of them. This is a poster I drew a bunch of years ago of these toolboxes, and it includes a list of every last thing that was in here, numbering thousands and thousands of dollars. For the first time ever, we're making these available to you, signed. And you can get yours over at adamsavage.com. See you guys there.